Hello! So today we are at day 5 in Lanzarote, which is one of the Canary Islands. You can see it there on the map in the bottom left. This was going to be one of the key stops on the entire cruise for me and my sister because we both adore volcanoes. We are happy with anything at all involving volcanoes. And sadly, while we were waiting down in the main gathering room to get onto the tour, my sister was just not feeling well at all. And the tour said there was going to be 90 minutes of intense walking, and she definitely didn't feel up to that kind of walking. So finally, she just said she was going back to the room, which was really sad for a number of reasons, but especially because there wasn't pretty much any walking at all. The entire tour involved being on a bus and driving around through the volcano, and there was a tiny bit of walking while we were at the restaurant area, but she easily could have come along. But because she didn't come with me, and because we both love volcanoes, I spent quite a lot of my time taking videos for her. I took videos of like every little part of the restaurant area and the winery area and the coastline area, and especially the full hour-long driving through the volcano because it was just so fascinating. So this video here has the slideshow of pictures that I took, which are nice, but also take a look at the playlist and see all the videos that I took because there are quite a lot of live videos, or live action videos that show you what all of these different scenes look like. So I highly recommend visiting this island and enjoy the pictures that we took of it.